My name's Andrew McGiven. I'm a dairy farmer at Waihoa, just out of Te Aroha. We split calve 510 cows. I first heard of Biozest probably 3 or 4 years ago, but about a year ago there's a gap in my farming systems. I was able to introduce it. We introduced it with the focus of primarily growing more pasture, more grass, and trying to become more self-contained on the farm for feed. Since using it, I've noticed the base of the pasture has been a lot more thicker. The plants have been more resilient and stronger. We have less pulling, and the grass has stayed more palatable for longer for cows. As the grass was going into seed head, the cows kept on nailing it down for quite a bit longer. Production has been good as well. The cows, we had a record season last year, and we were 3% above that this year until we sort of hit this autumn drought, late autumn drought. But we're still about 1.5% ahead at the moment as well. The additional reason we were looking at Biozest was we wanted to try and reduce our nitrate leaching and our methane production through our cows. And if we can make our cows more efficient and reduce those two components and put more in the milk and into meat, we think it's a win-win both ways: growing more grass, developing more milk and meat, and reducing our impact on the environment. So as a dairy farmer, what I'd like to see is some more recognition of technologies like Biozest going forward. With He Waka and the ETS coming on stream, farmers like myself are looking at a reasonably big bill at the moment, and these sort of technologies will not only, I believe, reduce that bill, but also should probably put us in credit. So I think this is a huge leap forward for farming, and it just needs to be recognised by the government and by the authorities.